Cloud Posture Management (CSPM). Security Posture Management (CSPM). Cloud Security Posture Management (CSPM) automates risk detection and remediation for cloud infrastructure such as infrastructure as a service (IaaS), software as a service (SaaS), and platform as a service (PaaS). The CSPM is used for risk visualization and assessment, incident response, compliance monitoring, and DevOps integration. And it can universally apply best practices for cloud security across environments that include containers, multi-cloud, and hybrid clouds. Key capabilities of CSPM. The most well-liked enterprise cloud security posture management systems have the following crucial capabilities as well. 1. Find and automatically fix cloud configuration errors. 2. Keep a list of recommended practices for various cloud installations and services. 3. A regulatory or security control framework should be connected to the present configuration states. 4. Utilize iOS, SaaS, and PaaS platforms in environments that use containers, hybrid clouds, and multiple clouds. What using CSPM is important. The use of CSPM tools helps secure a cloud environment by lowering the risk of data breaches. A study found that one of the more frequent mistakes in the cloud that can result in a data breach is incorrectly configuring the cloud environment. And using a CSPM tool can cut the number of security issues caused by incorrect configurations by the cloud by 80%. For more such information, subscribe our channel.